Always wanted to be a specialist in medicine? Standing between you and your dream is an exam you know as NEET PG, the gateway to postgraduate medical studies. The question is, how do you unlock this door? Here's what it takes to crack NEET PG. Instead of hustling 24/7 at the cost of health and sleep, break down the syllabus and tackle the topics one at a time. Fix your study hours and stick to them no matter what. Define your learning goals and dedicate specific periods to each subject so you don't miss a thing. Imagine yourself as the examiner to understand the exam pattern and marking scheme thoroughly as you lay the groundwork for your preparation, covering all the subtopics and mnemonics. Frequently take up mock tests and MCQs to assess your strengths and weaknesses. Go for as many as 10 mock tests to familiarize yourself with every section so that nothing surprises you. Practice spaced revisions days before the exam. Give your brain some time to relax before you go for another round of revision to maximize retention. Arm yourself with the best books in the category to get the results you desire. Supercharge your preparation with the ultimate NEET PG study partner and the key to high-quality study materials. Books from Wolters Kluwer is like having your very own NEET PG collaborative learner. Get access to comprehensive e-books and expert-backed exam prep guides to fast-track your studies. Peer-reviewed content ensures you're studying the most accurate material. AI guides your study with customized learning plans. Flashcards help you test yourself and enhance memory. Practice tests to help you master exam pressure. And concise guides for efficient revision. Get the confidence to crack NEET PG with Wolters Kluwer.